So basically, I had an N64 that the reset button wasn't working, and if you have one of them flash card Johns, you need to hit reset in order for it to work. So I found one of these really cheap replacements because the actual replacement's like hard to find and really expensive. Um, you can get a bag of them on AliExpress for real cheap. They do work. They're pretty fragile, so I mean it should work fine as a reset button if you're not a 12-year-old kid, but like putting it in is a little difficult because of that. Basically, you got to have this one set of wires, the connection breaks when you hit the reset, and the other set of wires, the connection's made when you hit the reset. And I think there is like a timing issue that the original Switch did differently that this generic's not doing right, because you do have to hit the reset button twice for it to fully reset. But if you hit reset once, it blacks. You hit it again, it actually resets. So no big deal there. Um, I pretty much attached it and then turn it the other way there, so the pins are facing forward and back, because that was the only way it really fit in there good. And the best way to do it that I found was to just kind of set it in there, and then after everything was put in place, just put a little hot glue around it to keep it all secure. But keep in mind, if you do have to take that apart, those little janky switches will probably fall apart on you. But once you get it in there, it seems to work pretty reliably. And you see here that I'm going to have to hit it twice to get it to fully reset. A little annoying, but it works.